In this segment, we're going to talk briefly about the company's 40% rule. It is a great feature. It's designed to protect everyone and to help everyone make more money. Let's go through a couple of examples of how it works. For example number 1, let's say that you have 3 distributor legs. To become a bronze requires $1,000 BV in monthly group volume. 1,000 BV times 40% equals $400 BV. This means that $400 BV is the maximum that can come from any one distributor leg. Let's insert that $400 figure into the chart underneath each leg. Next, let's say that each of your distributor legs was generating the volume highlighted in yellow. If we added up the volume of each of these 3 legs, it comes to $1,200 BV. That's over the $1,000 BV necessary to become a bronze, but we still need to check it against the 40% rule. So let's drop each leg's volume into the chart underneath their picture. Leg A has $100 in volume. We'll drop that down. Leg B has $300 in volume. We'll drop that down. And leg C has $800 in volume. However, since the maximum that we can use from any one leg is $400 BV, we can only drop down $400 BV of the $800 that was generated. When we add up the 3 volume figures shown in red, it only totals 800 BV. This does not total the 1,000 or more BV that's necessary to become a bronze. This means that when the 40% rule is applied, you are not qualified as a bronze. Next, let's go through the same example using slightly different figures. These figures are highlighted in yellow. Just like the last time, we'll drop each leg's volume into the chart underneath their picture. Leg A has $300 in volume. We'll drop that down. Leg B has $500 in volume, but since the maximum we can use is 400 BV, we'll only drop 400 BV down. And leg C has $800 in volume, but again, since the maximum that we can use from any one leg is $400, we can only drop $400 of the $800 down here. When you add up the volume figures shown in red, it totals 1,100 BV. That's over the $1,000 figure. So in this instance, the 40% rule is met. This means that you qualify to be paid as a bronze. This same principle applies to all of the different ranks, all the way up to and including diamond. You simply take 40% of the total volume required to reach that level, and for qualification purposes only, that is the maximum BV that can be used from any one leg. It's also important to note that you are not limited to just 3 legs. The volume that you use to qualify can be spread out over 5 or 10 or more legs if you desire.